Hello there, welcome to our channel Advanced English Academy. Previously, I discussed with you about see off, set off, make off, scare off, get off, tell off and pissed off. Now let's continue with the second part, which is pull off, write off and round off. So let's continue with the second part, which is preventing. Preventing means a separation and non-including. Alright? As you can see the meaning of round off on your screen, to change a number to the nearest whole number or the nearest number ending in 0. Means when you round off, it's when you take one number and we go to either the higher 10 or the lower 10. So if you have 15, suppose, you can round off at 10, which is lower, or 20, which is higher. For example, if personally you take an example, suppose you are in a restaurant and you have some friends coming. They say, how many people do you think will come? And you say, I don't know, 16 or 17. So the owner of the restaurant might say, let's round them off to 20, shall we? So it's how round off is used. Understood? Okay, now move to the next phrasal verb, pull off. Pull something off means to do something unexpected because there is a lot of difficulty. Fine. It means when you pull something off, you are able to do something that is extremely difficult and you should not be able to do. That usually separates you from other people. Just remember, you have been separated from the best. You can see an example on your screen. We pulled off the deal. I never thought you would pull it off. It means no one could attempt that deal which you did. Fine. Now move to the next phrasal verb, write off. This is more of a business term. Fine. Because businesses write off a lot of things a lot of time. So you must know what does write off mean. Write off is similar to round off because what happens when you write something off, you say the value of it is 0. Fine. Or you can say someone does not have to pay an amount of money. Suppose you have iPad 3 and iPad 4 is launched in the market. So you would write off this and say it's no of good value. So I want iPad 4. Means you are saying iPad 3 has no value for me and I want iPad 4. Finally, move to particle of, which is used for prevention, which means to separate people from things. You can use the particle of with fence and cordon. If fence goes with off, it means to separate an area by surrounding it with a fence. Right? Probably a fence you have seen around your house to keep people out of your house. So fence off means to close it off. Fine. An example you can see on your screen, they fenced off the bottom end of the garden. It means they closed the bottom end of the garden. Fine. Move to the next, cordon off. Cordon off is also similar to fence off, but somehow there is a little difference, as it means to prevent people from getting into an area by putting a line of people or object around or in front of it. Fine. Suppose usually something bad has happened, police come over, people stand around in a circle and they put tape or wire and say don't come in. That's called cordon off. Right? Means police put something around it in order to prevent people from getting into an area. Okay, thanks for watching. For more videos, stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for regular updates. Thank you.